लालू जी जिस वक्त मुख्यमंत्री थे तो वो एक बार आधिकारिक यात्रा पे अमेरिका गए, तो उस वक्त क्लिंटन राष्ट्रपति थे। तो किसी ने कहा आप 2 सेंटेंस तो याद करके चले जाइए, अंग्रेजी की बातचीत कैसे करेंगे? तो बोले कर लूंगा। बोले 2 एक सेंटेंस। बोले बताइए क्या सेंटेंस? बोले पहला वाक्य वेरी सिंपल, हाउ आर यू, आप कैसे? तो वो कहेगा आई एम फाइन, व्हाट अबाउट यू? तो आप कहते ना मी टू, मैं भी। अब लालू जी रट के चले गए, हाउ आर यू, आप कैसे? मी टू, मैं भी। हाउ आर यू, आप कैसे? मी टू, मैं भी। हाउ आर यू, आप कैसे? मी टू, मैं भी। अब वहां क्लिंटन सामने आया, अब लालू तो लालू, बोले हु आर यू? वो बोले आई एम हस्बैंड ऑफ हिलेरी। ये ठक से बोले मी टू।
तो आओ यार शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी डेडिकेशन के।
I want to capture that goods and shift in the goods train. So I have given several concessions and I have constituted a committee of the traders, business classes. What is your hardship? You tell me, we will remove, and we have removed it. And then given concession to local industries, several concessions. And every their goods are reaching properly. So I'm going to construct a 3rd line, dedicated freight corridor. I have invited some private players also in a joint venture. If but they will not come, then there is a huge money, surplus money to me. And another is a western corridor, western another, from Delhi to Mumbai, 3rd line, double line dedicated, and the all investment industries would be the hub of this external hubs, industrial hubs. So now the Indian Railway, before my tenure, was out of market. Now the Indian Railway is inside market. Everybody from abroad, local, they are watching by microscope the Indian Railway, reality of the Indian Railway. So they know very well that if I will invest money, my money will not go in vain. So there is a credibility of the Indian Railway now. So people want to invest.
But you're not going to be privatising the railway system?
Fully no. In core sector, no private. The world class station, containers, other terminals, wagon leasing policy, some core, non-core sector, I will permit, I will allow, but not the core sector. Core sector means